Hey there you, how are you today?
Great.
Let's learn some things. My chief grief with smoking? I like to run like the wind. I need my lungs, or my lungies. So when I want me to get high, I'll make me an edible. It's inevitable, I'll make an edible. Today we are learning 8 things you don't know about marijuana edibles.
Tell me.
Go! Uno! You can microdose. Just as the term means with LSD and psilocybin, you don't have to use the full dosage of a edible. You don't have to eat the whole thing. So you can just break off a little crumb and try it and glide through the day. It will be similar to smoking, but it will enter your body in a different manner, so it will have a slightly different effect, even if the strength is on par with smoking. Do it! They can cause headaches. If you do a heavy edible, it is not at all uncommon to have a headache either later that day or the next day, a hangover. Some people will tell you that marijuana can help their headaches, that when they smoke that will reduce the headache or migraine. That has never been my experience, but I've never been much of a smoker. However, they may help you avoid the overall incidence of headaches and migraines if you do them properly. I can only speak from the guidelines that I've found helpful, which are to not do it too early or too late in the day. If you do it too early, I find that you're eating it on an empty stomach or just not enough food ahead of it, and it just hits the system way too hard and it can be overwhelming. If you do it too late, you may not sleep well, it may interfere with your dreams, you may not feel rested the next day, and you may just feel bad. 3. They can have psychedelic effects. There is no doubt that you can have strong visuals, auditory hallucinations, out-of-body experiences, and similar effects that you will normally associate with stronger psychedelics, but marijuana in sufficient doses is definitely a psychedelic. As an edible, it is more likely to get to that dosage because you don't need as much. 4. You can mix strains. Why would you want to do this? Well, for example, what if you want to add a little high CBD strain and see if it lowers your paranoia or anxiety? Be a chemist in your own kitchen. What have you? Avoid that burnt out feeling from sticking to one strain for too long. Maybe you want to mix 2 of your favorite strains and see how they work together. Maybe you just want to shake it up. Shake up your life. Cinque. You can turn any edible into a drinkable, also known as a drink. Just toss it in a blender with some fruit and you got a smoothie drink. Say, it can impair your performance on certain tasks. Basically any task that you need precision and you don't want to lose a bodily or you don't want to lose any limbs, probably don't want to do that task. Don't come back at me and say, you said this, man, and now I lost an arm. Careful. Senti. On the other hand, it can improve your performance with certain tasks. Make great art, get in the zone, play video games, bond with small creatures. Nature, make killer videos. Like me. Art.